back again. Free.
Hello.
Monica! Casey.
So, Troy decided to call on his phone.
Yeah, you guys have to share this.
From a 901 number.
Yeah, you guys have to share this.
Everybody would shut up.
Merry Christmas. It's me, Santa Claus, and I'm here at the North Pole with my elves, and my reindeer, and that ho, Mrs. Claus. We're hard at work making toys for Christmas, but you can help me out by letting me know what I can drop off at your house for Christmas this year. If you would like a wooden doll, say the word doll. If you would like a sweater, say the word sweater. And I can't help but notice that you didn't make a selection. Were you expecting more choices? Are you too good for a doll or a sweater? Well, what the do you want for Christmas then, huh? I bet you'd like an iPod or a Nintendo Wii or an Xbox, wouldn't you, you crazy little Do you know how hard it is to make something like that? I've already executed 4 elves trying to replicate that damn iPhone. 4 elves! These are not skilled technicians. They're basically semi-retarded midgets in Queen's High School Helium Edition. And here you are, too good for a doll or a sweater, wanting me to break the lives of my retarded elves? Have you forgotten the true meaning of Christmas? Well, guess what? Now you get nothing. You can all keep saying a frostbitten nosy red ass and go to hell. You can all go straight to hell.
And that was Santa. Oh, wow, Santa.
That's Uncle Gipper!
So, Fred,
I'm the hottest one here.
no, I am not.
Yes, I am.
Okay. Okay, let's look at that video.
Hold it. Cool inside a riot, the riot.
You have to plug in the brown thingy. This is our Christmas village.
This is our Christmas stuff. Or whatever, not mine.
Because I don't live here.
My cousin's house. Who the heck was that?
Have to make any food.
Hold on. Come here, Bree.
Okay, I gotta go for this. Bye-bye.